Hello and welcome back to this video in the Shopify training series. In the previous video, we created our brand's name, bought the domain, and made a logo for our company. In between the videos, I did upload the logo to the website just to see if it looked right. In today's video, we're going to start with the design of our website. Before we jump into changing things, I want to talk about colors. I usually have 3 colors in my palette: white, black, and an accent color. I do use a 4th color for what's called an isolation color, which we'll talk about in a further video. For now, know that we're going to be using 3 main colors: white, black, and a light blue. And then in our isolation color will be a red. Alright, on to Shopify. Go to your Shopify admin panel and click on Online Store, Themes, and click the Customize button. This is where we're going to start. It should load to your home page. Let's get to work on this. First up is the slideshow. We don't want a slideshow. We're going to get rid of the second image by going into the settings and deleting it. Now go back to your first image and let's search for a good image that shows proper posture. We will use this image of a woman in an office chair, since it's something we did talk about in the product description. Looks good on desktop and on mobile. And we don't want any text overlay, so let's go back in and delete that. Moving on. Rich text will give us a chance to talk about our brand. We want to keep this. We will remove the collection list, as it's going to start with a single product on this website, so there's not more than one collection. Featured collections can go, because again, there's only one collection. Okay, now we need to add a section, the featured product. This is going to be the posture corrector. We're going to want this higher up on the page as well, so we exit out of the editor and drag and drop this bad boy into position. Add a reviews carousel under that, and move the rich text to talk about the brand under the reviews. Let's add an image with text next to it, and then right align the image. We're going to put this underneath the rich text. Now, the right alignment doesn't matter very much, because most of our customers are going to be in mobile and it's going to be above it anyways. But I do like this better on the right align when it's on desktop. Now we're just going to have another blurb about our product here. It's probably going to be something about good posture or bad backs or removing back pain, having a pain-free back. Not sure yet. We will get there. That'll be in another video. Perfect. This is your home page. Don't worry. While the elements themselves aren't filled in, we will be doing more work to this later and filling these in. Time to move on to our product page and mess with that for a little bit. Before we do that though, we should go into our header and remove the announcement. It just looks tacky and it adds clutter to the page. Get rid of it. Alright, on to our products page. As for settings, product sharing is okay. All the buttons will be at the bottom anyways. We want the quantity picker here. Who knows, they may buy more than one. We're going to be adding more images, and if the user wants to see a little bit bigger image, we should add the zoom, so we are going to turn on the zoom functionality. Dynamic checkout is on, so they can go straight to checkout by clicking Buy Now. Now these buttons on desktop should span the entire column, so we have to select large buttons. Turn off product recommendations for now because we only have one product and it's just going to be empty. Again, looks pretty tacky. We can always turn it back on later. That's all the edits for the product page. There are 2 more things that I want to edit in the theme, and this is going to require us to do a little bit more work. The 2 edits are removing Powered by Shopify and the payment icons in the footer of the web page. To remove the Powered by Shopify section at the bottom of your page, you have to go back to your Shopify admin panel, click Online Store, Themes, select the drop-down list next to Customize, and click on Edit Code. Why are we getting rid of the Powered by Shopify? Well, it does subtract a little bit of that trust that you were just building. Unfortunately, people know all too well that a lot of scammers are out there just trying to steal people's money using Shopify stores. We aren't like that. So while it's not in our best interest to have that there, we don't want to give them any reason to think that we're scamming them, because we're not. What you're going to do once you are in the coding section is go down to Sections, open that folder and click on footer.liquid, press Ctrl F. This is going to open a search panel, search for Powered, we're going to want to find the section that adds in the Powered by Shopify text and just delete it. Click Save to commit your changes. Go to your Shopify admin panel, click Online Store, Themes, and Customize. In the left-hand column, click on Footer, and then uncheck the Show Payment Icons checkbox. That, my friends, is it. Designing doesn't have to be this time-intensive thing where you have to stress over every single aspect of production. The 3 things that I look for: quick, simple, clean. In the next video, we're going to focus on creating a product video to add to our product description. After that, we will be putting the finishing touches on the store and starting ad campaigns. We're almost there, almost ready to go live. That's all for this video. If it helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more daily Shopify, dropshipping, advertising, and marketing videos. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.